Hey guys, welcome back to NeedyCat Media. It's W. Today we're going to show you how to use VoiceAttack to open up applications, run your software, make it 10 times easier for you. Stay tuned. You're really going to like this episode. You know, before I was showing you how to use VoiceAttack for gaming, but did you know you could open up applications? You could start your games, you could start OBS, you could start a lot of other applications.
Tell me how.
So let me show you how to do that. First, we're going to open up VoiceAttack. Now, I have a general profile. If you want this to work, when you first come in, you create a general profile. I use this one for Battlefield and for Call of Duty, the normal games that I play, Left 4 Dead. So I'm going to add all of them into this, and right now I can even start my OBS by a simple command. I would do it now, but I'm already using the software. So to get started, we're going to open up and we're going to edit the profile. And these are all the different things that today, if I say it when I'm in a game, the system will automatically do it for me. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new command. And we're going to call this, I like to make them all the same at the beginning. Start Steam. Let's do that one. Then down here, it's not a key that we're going to press this time. We're going to come down to Other, we're going to come down to Windows, and we're going to run an application. And this software is amazing. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. So we'll click here, and they simply want, we're going to browse for the location. Windows. Click on Steam. And we want Steam application. So we'll click here. Click Open. Now we know where to go. We can run a test. I think I have Steam running already, so we'll turn this off. Exit out of that. And then we'll click Run. And you always want to test it. So once you click Test, if it pops up, you know you got the right place. So click Run, and it's logging me into my account. There we go. So we know that that worked. Now once this is done, you'll go down and you'll click OK. You'll click OK again. We'll apply it, close it up, come back up here, and simply say, Start Steam. And there you go. Now, I don't know about you, I like when it talks back to me.
I don't like when you talk like this.
So we're going to exit out one more time. We're going to come back into the editor. And we're going to ask it to say something back to us so that we know that it worked. So we'll come back down here to Other, and we want it to say something, text to speech, and we'll say opening up Steam. Sounds good. We'll click OK, and we'll try it again. Start Steam.
Opening up Steam.
And there you go. Well guys, again, you can do this for every different type of application that you have. I hope you found this useful. If you like these types of tutorials, please do me a favor and consider subscribing. Hit that little like button. Send me a comment.
Comments? Questions?
Little like button. I'll be more than happy. I love hearing from you guys. If there's something that I can help show you how to do, and I can do it, I'll be more than happy to assist. Okay? As always, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care now.